Hi, my name is Konstantinos. I'm 21 years old. I live in IQ as a house here in Plymouth, which is really nice. And I study at the University of Plymouth, Navigation, Maritime Science. And let me show you around. Okay, so here we are at the bike storage, which is a really useful area for bicyclists. A bicycle can make your life much easier. You can explore Plymouth in less time. So now we're here at my penthouse. Here you can see my big double bed, and the best part of the studio is the view that I'm lucky to have. One thing that is also important to feel as a student and resident at the same time, because you live on your own, is to feel looked after. And here in Astor House we do have that feeling because of the staff and the maintenance that they always taking care of you. So that was the IQ Astor House tour for the day, and I hope you enjoyed it and liked it, and wish you all the best. Bye bye.